Hey everyone, it's Cole and we're going to be doing lather test number 2. This is for a milk hemp soap. We're going to test out and see how much bubbles, how much lather it produces. I forgot to show you, but this bar was very hard, but very smooth still. It's very smooth. Low on the bubbles, not really much bubbles. Low on bubbles, low on lather. Some bubbles. I think it's more than olive oil, the milk olive oil. So. A little bit. Not very much. Not how I would like it, and I don't like the smell. It smells very strange. I think it's the hemp oil. It does feel silky though. Alright guys, thank you. Stay tuned for lather check number 3.